Dear students, we are studying the English grammar chapter Determiners. Today we will study the difference between few, a few and the few. Few, a few, the few. These three words are used with countable nouns. What is meaning of few, a few, the few? Few means not many, कुछ नहीं के बराबर, नेगेटिव सेंस. A few means some, कुछ, पॉजिटिव सेंस. The few means not many but all, ज़्यादा नहीं जो कुछ है सब, लेकिन जो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं लेकिन जो कुछ है सब. Example, from example we will understand. Few persons are honest these days. Few persons are honest these days. आजकल बहुत कम, आजकल नहीं के बराबर लोग ईमानदार होते हैं. बहुत कम लोग ईमानदार होते हैं. I have a few good friends. मेरे पास, इट हैज पॉजिटिव सेंस. I have a few good friends. मेरे पास कुछ अच्छे दोस्त हैं. थर्ड नंबर, he lost the few friends he had. He lost, खोज दिया. The few, बहुत थोड़े से कुछ ही फ्रेंड उसके पास थे, वह सब खो दिया. उसके पास बहुत कम ही दोस्त थे, वो सारे दोस्तों को वह खो दिया. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. Now difference between each and every. Each used for two persons or things, or also more than two persons or things. Each can be used for more than two persons or things, but that should be definite. And every is always used for more than two persons or things. From example we will understand. Ram and Shyam are friends. Here two persons, so each will be used, not every. Each has a car. Every will be wrong, each is right. Every boy of this class are intelligent. Here more than two persons, so every will be used. More than two indefinite person or thing. For more than two indefinite person or things, every used. And when more than two persons or things are definite, then each will be used. Example, there are 50 students in this class. Here more than two persons, 50 students, so we shall not use every, we will use each, because more than two persons thing is definite. When more than two persons or things are definite, then every will not be used, each will be used. Each student is clever. Every man wants to succeed in life. Here more than two persons, but they are indefinite, so every, not each, will be used. Now the difference between either and neither. Either means one of the two, दो में से कोई एक. Example, either book is read. दोनों में से कोई एक बुक रेड है. एंड नाइदर मीन्स नन ऑफ द टू, दो में से कोई नहीं. नाइदर बॉय इज इंटेलिजेंट, दोनों में कोई लड़का इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है. नाउ वी शैल स्टडी यूज ऑफ मच, मेनी. much, many, both हिंदी मीनिंग हैज बहुत, लेकिन बट much used with uncountable noun and many used with countable noun. Example, he has much water. Water is uncountable, so much will be used. I have many friends. Friends is countable, so many will be used. That's all for today. Tomorrow I will give you some exercises to complete in determiners. Thank you.